What's going on, guys? I wanted to do this quick video showing these wheels I picked up on Amazon. They were $60. They come with 4 wheels, the hub, the ring, you know, all the pieces that you need. It doesn't come with Allen keys, or Allen wrenches, I should say, or Allen drivers, whatever you want to call it. But if you don't have a good set of Allen drivers, check in the description for a link, and also check in the description for a link for the wheels. I'll post them up there. These are 2.2s, 30 millimeters, 35 millimeters wide. Basically, I'm just showing them so you can see that they're pretty similar to the Vanquish method wheels. So I'm running these 2.2s with some Proline Hydrax 1.9s, but these are the class 2 size. As you can see, I got them already mounted on my new build, and if you notice, these don't have anything on it, but these do. So what I did is I laser engraved these on there just to make them look a little bit kind of like the real Vanquish ones, but obviously don't have the super high price tag. Not taking anything away from Vanquish because they make some really nice stuff, but these wheels are the same basically. You know, they're not as high quality, but they're good enough for me. So basically, I fix cell phones for a living, and since the coronavirus, I kind of have a bunch of my cell phone equipment here at my house, including my laser. So I set it up, I had time to tinker with it, and now I fire it up. So I have it all lined up. I already know exactly where it needs to be, and basically this laser is to remove the back glass on an iPhone 8X, an iPhone XR, an iPhone 11, whatever it is. The laser removes it off. So as you can see, this is where the wording is going to go on each side. Looks like it's off, but it's not. It's on where it needs to be. So I set my power and my time and my speed, and that's how fast it is. It's not hot. It won't wipe off. It's on there permanently unless you repowder coat it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be making some more videos. And if you want to see that truck, I did a build video on it also later.